everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Cheryl if you're new here. Obviously life with Cheryl, it kind of says it all. Today I'm going to be doing a little hair video. I'm going to be doing a product review and I'm going to be reviewing a L'Oreal Paris Elvive hair mask. So this is the full Restore 5 intensive repair mask. Yeah. So it says that it's for weak damaged hair. I would say that I do have weak damaged hair. Yeah, my hair is all bleached. It just snaps off when you brush it. It's not horrific, but it's not great. Do you know what I mean? Like, I do need some good conditioner in. I do need hair masks. I do need oils and stuff like that to make my hair feel nice. So I thought it would be a good idea to try this out. I can't remember exactly how much this was. I bought it just before the UK went into like their lockdown because of the coronavirus, but it was under £5, I know that. So on the back, I'll just kind of read what it says. It says Elvive Full Restore 5 Mask, enriched with, I don't know how to pronounce this, calendula extract. I'll just leave it like down here, up here, where it says, and ceramidine, yeah, Tina, I'll leave that up there as well. Just one of them words. Bathes your hair in a luxurious cream, and then it's got, so it resurfaces hair is intensely nourished and the smoothness of the hair fibre is restored. Oh my god, I can't get my words out. And it reinforces, the formula reinforces hair to give the strength to resist daily wear and tear. 5 proven results. 1, its strength. 2, softness. 3, vitality. 4, silkiness. And 5, shine. So your directions, on how you would use it is, for best results, use after full Restore 5 shampoo. That's not going to be happening because I don't have a L'Oreal Elvive shampoo, so I'll just be using my normal shampoo, which I think is a Dove one at the moment. Squeeze out excess moisture and apply, concentrating on the lengths and the ends. Now I do put the conditioner all over from root to tip, purely because my hair is so bleached, it's so damaged, and I've always done it. It's just something that I like to do. Leave in for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinses out easily in case of contact with eyes, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's basically what it says. So if you stick around, you'll be able to watch what I've done exactly with the hair mask and how I've put it on my hair. If you're new, then please subscribe. It's great to have you here. Like this video, big thumbs up and all that, because it does put a proper cheesy smile on my face. And yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Right, if you can hear my kids in the background, just ignore them because they're playing on Roblox. We're in isolation, social distancing at the moment, so yeah, I'm just gonna have to do this when they're around. But I've just been in the shower. I'll just run through what I do, not what I do when I'm in the shower, but how I wash my hair, and then you'll kind of see if it works or not. So I wash my hair in cold water. I always wash my hair over the bath. I do 2 shampoos and then I normally condition, and then I wash it off again in cold water. So today I did my normal, put my head over the bath, wash my hair twice. I had to use, instead of my OGX, which I absolutely love, I've had to use a Dove shampoo. The Dove shampoo that I've used does have sulfates in it, so I don't know if that makes a difference to how it makes your hair feel, but it did feel nice. But yeah, just letting you know what I use. So I wash my hair twice in the shower, cold water, and then I did put the mask on, because it does say that you can use this mask and you leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes, and I cannot brush my hair without having some sort of conditioner in my hair. So I did use this mask for 2 to 3 minutes in the shower, and then I just washed it off with cold water again. So after I've used it for the 2 to 3 minutes, like it says on here, my hair doesn't feel too bad. Yes, it's wet and it is damaged, and you obviously don't see the true results until it's dry, but I know what my hair feels like when I come out of the shower, and what it feels like when it's wet, and if I've used a good conditioner or a bad conditioner or a good mask or a bad one, and this doesn't feel too bad. But now I'm going to use it as more like an intensive kind of hair mask. I want to leave it on for about an hour, but on top of using it as like a deep intensive hair mask, I need to mix me colour into me mask. My colour's looking pretty rotten. I haven't got really a lot of dye left. So I normally like to mix my semi-permanent hair dye into my hair mask so that I can get my colour a lot longer, and it's looking tragic. So I'm just going to do that now. So there's a tiny bit on there because I've just had to cut open the tub, but you'll see that bit of red. But that's the conditioner at the moment. It smells quite nice as well, actually. Not amazing, not like coconut like I like, but it does smell nice, and it smelled nice when I was washing it off my hair. So that's the colour in. I'm just going to mix it in. This, in my personal experience, mixing colour into my hair masks has never ever made a difference to how the hair masks work. I've used hair masks before without the colour in, and then I've mixed the colour in and it's done exactly the same thing. It hasn't affected the way the hair mask works. This is just for my own personal benefit. Do what you gotta do. Got me 2 hair clips, and I'm gonna try and brush my hair. Feels alright. My hair's always super tatty anyway, so. I've brushed my hair, I've separated it into 2, just the way I like to do it. Because I've got colour in this conditioner, I probably should be wearing gloves, but I'm just not going to. I need to be careful for my wallpaper as well. It does say to put it on the mid-lengths and ends, but I never do. I always saturate my whole hair because my hair's bleached. So yeah, but if you're somebody that's maybe prone to like oily hair, or your hair's, you know, fairly good condition, then you don't need to put it on your roots. But I personally like to, always have, always will. And I do use a generous amount as well. Done. So I'm going to leave that on for about an hour, clean up my head and all of that. Maybe even leave it on longer than an hour, to be honest. And then I'm going to blow dry it, probably straighten it, something like that. And then I'll be back and I'll let you know what I think. So my final thoughts on this hair mask. I do quite like it. It smells nice. It doesn't have like a really strong kind of smell. Like, I do quite like a coconut kind of smell, or like a honey kind of smell, something like that. It doesn't have like a strong smell like that, which I wish it did, but it does smell nice. It does have like a lasting smell. I did wash my hair 2 days ago with this. You know, everything that you've just seen in the video, I did that 2 days ago, and it still has a nice smell to it. My hair is shiny. It's, you know, give it a nice shine. It's been easy to brush as well over these past few days, so I have quite liked that. I do like it, but I wouldn't say it's amazing. Like, obviously for under £5, what you expect, you're not going to expect something like unreal, but it is good. I think if I was basically looking for a hair mask in that price range, I definitely would buy this one again. It smells nice, it does the job. It does recommend that you leave it on your hair for 2 to 3 minutes, which I did do before I did like a second treatment of it, and my hair felt alright. You know, when I brushed it, it felt alright. I could get the hairbrush through, so that's a bonus. When I obviously left it on, I think it was like an hour, maybe 2 hours, it felt really nice as well. I have had hair masks that do feel similar, so it's nothing where I would say, oh my god, like you need to buy this hair mask. But like I said, for the price, I do think it's quite good. So yeah, if I was looking for something around this price mark, you know, I didn't have a lot of money but I needed to give my hair like a little treat, then I definitely would buy this again. I do hope you like this video. Like I had said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.